This is an area under the curve problem from 2 to 4 x squared plus 2. So this would be the integral from 2 to 4 of x squared plus 2 dx. So that would be the shaded region because the bottom is, this happens to be y equals 0. So it's bounded by x squared plus 2, y equals 0, x equal 2, x equal 4. This becomes x to the 3 over 3 plus 2x from 2 to 4, which is 4 cubed over 3 plus 2 times 4 minus 2 cubed over 3 plus 2 times 3, which is 64 over 3 plus 8 minus 8/3 minus 6, which is 2, because 8 and 6 is a 2. 64/3 and 8/3 is going to be a positive 56/3, I believe. Which is, let's see what it's going to come up with. It's going to be in thirds. So if I say 2 plus 56 divided by 3, it is 20, and 6 is 2/3. So it's going to be 20 and 2/3. Now find the area between two curves, and I'm going to just mark this lower curve, change his color, and that ends up being x cubed, I do believe. The upper curve is square root of x, lower curve is x cubed. So this is the integral from 0 to, and I don't know what that number is. So that number in the x is where x cubed equals the square root of x, or where x cubed minus the square root of x equals 0, or where x cubed minus x to the 1/2 equals 0. I can factor out an x to the 1/2, and that would be x to the 3 minus 1/2 minus 1 equals 0. And this is easy enough. This is x equals 0. And 3 minus 1/2, 3 is 2 over 2 at 6/2, minus 1/2 is 5/2. So that x to the 5/2 equals 1, or x just equals 1. So this is going to go from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Upper curve being the square root of x, minus the lower curve, which is x cubed, dx, which is the integral from 0 to 1 of x to the 1/2 minus x cubed dx, which is x to the 3/2 over 3/2, which is 2/3, minus x to the 4 over 4, evaluated from 0 to 1. 0 gives me nothing because this is 0 minus 0. So this becomes 2/3 times 1 to the 3/2 minus 1 to the 4th over 4. Now this is just 2/3 minus 1/4. Common denominator is 12. which is 8 over 12 minus 3 over 12 as 5 over 12. Now you could certainly do that with your calculator if you wanted to.